My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back. So today I just want to do an update on a video that I made 8 weeks ago. Actually, I made it about maybe 3 or 4 months ago, but I started using the product exactly 8 weeks ago today. And in my very first video, I told you that I would come back at, I believe I said 4 weeks, 8 weeks, and then 12 weeks, because they said that you should start seeing results within 4 weeks, and then you should see better results within 8 weeks, and then even better results within 12 weeks. So I forgot to come back after the 4 weeks. So I'm coming back today, exactly 8 weeks from when I started using this product right here, the Rock, what is it exactly called? It's called Rock Retinal Correction Night Cream and Eye Cream. And so I've been using it, like I said, faithfully for 8 weeks. I've maybe missed 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 nights, but that's it. Otherwise, I've been using it faithfully. But honestly, I don't see a difference. The things that I wanted to have improved the most was this line right here. Yeah, that one right there. I wanted that to be reduced along with these lines and my smile, crow's feet lines. I didn't really see a difference. Of course, I haven't used it the full 12 weeks, but they said you should start seeing results within 4 weeks, 8 weeks, and 12 weeks. Like I said, this is my 8th week, and I'm not seeing results. I'm gonna go ahead and keep using it for the full 12 weeks, just because I want to make sure that I do use it to its full potential. But I think afterwards, I know for a fact I was going to go back to my olive oil treatment that I was using prior to starting this skin wrinkle regimen thingy. But as many of y'all probably have watched my last video, or one of my last videos, where I started using castor oil for my eyebrows and eyelashes without makeup on, I am seeing some difference in the eyebrow growth. So after I'm done using this for the full 12 weeks, I'm going to start maybe doing the castor oil as a nighttime moisturizer, maybe even a daytime moisturizer, I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to come and make a quick update just to let you know that I didn't forget that I said I would come back and let you know if it's working for me. It may work for you. It's just not, it doesn't seem like it's doing anything for me. I also wanted, my skin right here is starting to get a bit crepey, and I kind of wanted that to be helped, and I'm not really seeing a difference in that either. And I was putting it on my décolletage area here because I'm noticing, you know, the cleavage lines there, the cleavage wrinkles that us old ladies get. I'm 52, so hey, I'm getting wrinkles. I'm getting old. My skin's getting old. It's been around for 52 years. So anyway, let me know if you've had different results than me. Hopefully it's worked for you. But I just wanted to make this really quick video just to let you know the results that I've had so far. Okay, so I didn't forget about y'all. I know that a lot of y'all have left comments. Hey, have you made the video about the Rock product? And I also had some comments that said that something about animal cruelty, so I didn't know if I should even make the updated video, but I didn't know before I bought it, and I thought, well, I've already bought it, I've already made that first video, I've already promised everyone that I was going to make an update. So I went ahead and I continued using it, and I'm making this update, and I will update y'all again when I'm all done with my 12-week little regimen here. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.